No, I just quit. And let's just start over on that. Let's see. We put the brand new burpee seeds at the top, and we put it tomatoes. We put it Ruger's. We put organic tomatoes, so we know the date, not date, but the takes 7 to 10 days to germinate. On here I've got the date. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. It's hard to get it in the thing. And I did the same thing for this over here. And I put how many days it was supposed to take, 7 to 10. Cucumbers, I did the same thing. And now I have it written down, and then as soon as they start coming up, I can write that down as well. So here it is for the A. The A was the Sumter, Pennington Sumter. And like I said, I had 3 holes lacking where you didn't get a whole lot of seeds for that. I put the date that we planted them, and I said we planted them, okay? You and I planted them. We're going to see how well we can do with these. And that they were Pennington brand. This is Burpee brand, and these were the Munchers, the cucumbers. And the date we planted them, and it takes 7 to 14 days for those to come up, and 7 to 10 for the Penningtons to come up. So we've got all that done. Yep, there's the A's of Sumters, the B are the Munchers. And I left that little paper in there that I left in there. Okay, I'm going to have to go. We're going to put this in here real quick like, if we can. Just kind of push the seed down just a tiny bit. There we go. I'm going to snap these lids, but they don't really snap. You just place them on there. I'm going to put the lid on there. We're going to call them planted. I have some lemon seeds to plant. And I have some clover seeds I want to plant if I can get the seeds out of them. Where are you at? You're off down there a long ways. Let's get your little bit back up there. Yeah, there you go. I don't like it being so far down there because I'm afraid they just won't grow. See, he's down too far too. Let's pull him back up. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I just pulled him back up just a little bit. And now I'm just barely covering them. Just like that. See? Just barely covering them. I feel like Bob Ross with my little painting stick. I liked him. He was such a kind, gentle guy. Alright, here we are. We've got it done. This one needs to be moved in and covered a little bit more. That one, same thing. This one, maybe a little bit more because it just wasn't quite. You can see the seeds. And I'd rather not see the seeds. They do need to be covered some. Okay, we got them all planted. Yay, people, thank you for your help. I appreciate it so much. I'm so glad you come with me to help do this. And Dino. Bino. I'm so sorry, Dino. I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, Dino, we've got them planted. I hope you've got you some seeds and stuff and you're doing it with me so we can, see how things go. And in between you and I and other people, maybe we can figure out what we're doing wrong whenever we go to transplant them into something bigger. I have bigger cells that I can take these and put them in and let them stay longer, because I just don't see them staying in this 36 cell. If you get them, you probably don't want the 36 cells. You may want to have 26 cells and I forgot what the other one was. But anyway, these seeds we'll put up. Here's our oh, there's 2 of them. Well, that feels awful thick. These little things are really nice. I've never used these before, so that's a plus. Why do I feel like something's not right? Okay, so we ain't doing something right. Let me look at the thing again. I did it just like they showed that. The seed thing on top. Oh, I guess it just, boy, it don't fit very good, does it? It said it just sat on top. It did not snap. They are a, wow, I'm not impressed with that much. I'm sure they had to do it to get it all put together to sell it, you know, and all that stuff, but I'm not really impressed with that. Yeah, that's a lot of wiggle room there. And you can't snap it down. It says they do not snap. So, okay. But I did label the things A, B, C, and D. And C and D are the tomatoes. The A and the B are the cucumbers. So there we go. I appreciate you coming by. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, comment. I love to hear your comments. If they're positive, you know, you don't want trolls, which I have had before. My daughter said she had heard that their generator, not even real people. It's just generated things to harass people. I don't understand why, but you know, it's kind of horrible when you got a channel and you're trying to do the best you can, and then they want to come along when you start getting a few people to subscribe to you. They'll come along and then they start bad-mouthing you. Okay, so look here. I wish I could share these with y'all. These are Myers lemons. Myers lemons are the best. Oh, you've done stopped again. Okay, well, I'm not doing another one.